password input type is input type that we can use to create password input field. Password input field is basically field where you can enter alphanumeric values, but that values from the moment that you start entering it will be masked with bullets or with stars. So basically your password that should be confident information can stay secret even in the moment when you are entering it. Let's define input element. Let's define type for it. This one gonna be password. Okay, so let's set label for this input. Let's say password. And let's define name HTML attribute with value password field. Okay, let's save our changes now. Let's refresh our page. So here it is. We have password field where you can enter alphanumeric values that are masked, but basically you can click eye icon on the right corner and you can see your password, but just once. So this is basically how password field works.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.